Hello guys, how are you? If you are new and my YouTube channel Tech Sajawal, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. My topic: how we buy tea, tissue roll from Alibaba.
So first of all, you have to install the Alibaba app. After that, you have to open the Alibaba app and search here in the search box. Here you can see that I'm writing here tissue roll. I'm writing tissue roll. You have to search for that, and you can see that basically different samples are came in front of you. So here you can see that different samples came in front of you. You can see that here. So basically, I'm going to click on that one. So here you can see it. It's going to be open. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So here you can see it. 8 samples are available. This one you can see that a video demo option is also available. So basically, if you want to watch a video, then you have to click on that video option. Here you can see another sample 36 value pack roll Wilton 3 ply softness white. You can see that 160 sheets. Here you can see it another sample in front of you, but I think here you can see another one super soft bamboo 24 double rolls bamboo bath tissue 24 double rolls. You can see that here. Here's another one extra long. You can see that. Here's another sample. Here you can see it roll diameter 8 to 15 centimeter or customized. You can see it roll width 9.5 to 12 centimeter or customized. And here is the highlights of the product. So US dollar 0.16 minimum order 20,000 rolls. US dollar 0.15 for ordering 50,000 to 79,999 rolls. US dollar 0.14 for ordering greater than or equal to 80,000 rolls. Source factory 3 ply 4 ply paper toilet tissue paper roll. So basically, if we talk about the rating, then you can see that here 5 out of which 5 star are given here based on 12 reviews, and 24 orders are already placed. Number one most popular in one ply and toilet tissue paper tissue. And membership benefits are also available. Join Alibaba.com membership for up to $80 in coupons and more. Key attributes you can see it here. Basically, if you talk about the key attributes, then you can see that material virgin wood pulp. Other attributes: place of origin Chengdong, China. Core size standard roll. Brand name OEM. Model number customized. Type toilet tissue. Product name toilet tissue. Color white. MOQ 20,000 rolls. Density 13 GSM and 225 GSM. Embossing yes. Layer 1 ply, 2 ply, 3 ply, 4 ply. Sheet size 10 into 10 centimeter or customized. Sheet number 50 to 1500 sheets. Package bags or customized. Softness super soft, normal soft, and hard. Packaging and delivery. Packaging details customized. Port out dispatch Qingdao Port China. Selling units single item single package size 20 into 20 into 30 10 centimeter. Single gross weight 1 kg. Supply capacity supply ability 244 food container per month. So here you can see it. You can see it here. Purchasing details are also given here. Production with trade assurance. Shipping contact supplier to negotiate shipping details. Enjoy on time dispatch guarantee. Payments enjoy encrypted and secure payments. You can see it here. Returns and refunds eligible for refunds within 30 days of receiving products. Order with confidence. Verified as custom manufacturer. Tailored customization and dedicated production. Lead time amount of time from order placement until dispatch. 15 days 1 plus roll. 20 days 20,000 plus 1 plus rolls, and 25 days 5,000 50,000 plus rolls, 50,000 1 plus rolls, and to be negotiated 80,000 1 80,000 plus rolls. So performance analytics is also given here. You can see it. The following are 180 days data. So basically, if you want to buy this tissue roll, then you can see the send inquiry option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on the send inquiry option for buying this tissue roll. Thanks for watching this video.